How to close down an Etsy shop. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can close down your Etsy shop and then delete your Etsy seller account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Basically you have to go to etsy.com and then sign into your account, then click on the shop manager icon, which is at the top right hand side of the screen. Right, once you click on the shop manager icon, on the next specific page you will see this type of interface where on the left hand side you'll find the option called options. So you basically have to click on the options tab. Then once you click on the options tab, on the next page you'll find this type of option where on the top right you have to choose the option called close shop. Once you click on close shop, here you'll find the button that says close shop, which is at the bottom. When you click on that option, it will ask you to provide a reason and so on. So enter all of the details and then delete your account respectively. This is it on how you can actually close down an Etsy shop. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.